Oh, got one. There's one. Fish on. Yep. Oh, he's off. Yep. Scrappy little brown. Alright, well there's my first one from the Poudre. Recording now. Rainbow. No guy. Red Copper John. Red Copper John. Yep. Alright guys. So first one in the net. It's like the fourth one I hooked into though. Little rainbow. Sweet. Alright guys, finally hooked into a decent one. Pulling some drag. Oh yeah. It's like a really nice brown. Double. Oh. Oh, come on, dude. Is he gone? Yeah, he's gone. Alright, well, quick release. Got a double up going on over here. Yeah, he's right before Little Brownie.
Little Brownie? You think so, right?
I think so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it was right before that tree, and it just slammed it. Beautiful. All right, another. Looks like a rainbow. Cutbow. That makes rainbow brown cutbow though.
There isn't any average bigger size here than it used to be.
It's a good little cutbow though. Slash underneath the jaw. I actually got him following me. 11 mile style. This guy's gonna sit right behind you now. He's right in front of your feet. Alright guys, we're gonna try out the Joe Wright Reservoir and the boat. This is one of the few reservoirs in Colorado that have Arctic Grayling in it. Eat you little graylings. Yeah, he grabbed it, took it under. I waited like a whole second. Yeah, spit it as soon as I said it. Oh, yeah, I'm recording now. All right, guys, I just got one on the dry fly. Oh, it's a grayling. It's a grayling. Yes. Will you net this for me? Yes.
I don't know how to do this, man.
Just it's magnetic. Yes. That's the most fucking accomplished I felt all day.
Did you get it?
Yep.
The whole
Arctic
cast and everything?
No, I didn't get it in the dry. Camera for like 20 seconds and he smashed it. Wet my hands. Fucking hey.
Is this the first ever?
First ever grayling. Alright, it's putting up a fight in my hands for sure. Put your dorsal up, homie.
Look at this guy. Beautiful.
Look, oh my god, how pretty.
How beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh wow, that's fucking cool.
That is awesome. Do you have your phone? Yeah, they're slimy little fuckers.
On the dry fly too. Fuck yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful things I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Dude. Lift it. I think he's done flying. I don't think he likes his.
No, he doesn't like his fin touched at all. He's like, fuck out of here.
He doesn't even bloody me.
Dude, look at his, like, look at the fin just like shines in the water.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Now I need to let her run on
Yeah, he's reviving. I more or less just had to let him take it under. Just like the other one, I just waited a full second after he blooped it. Yep. I still got like 3/4 battery. You see that? He came up instantly. Come on, come back. Just missed another hit. Nice. Is it? No way. That's funny. That's awesome. That'd be hilarious though.
Got the hook set and all.
Nice. Got one. Hook set and all. Nope. I should be able to get this one. Yep. Hell yeah. A little bit, some colors. Another Arctic Grayling. Release. Was it a brook trout? Sweet. Awesome. Alright, so I just missed 2 more. One of them was a decent, looking like a rainbow. The other one looked like a grayling. But they're hitting the dry for sure. The only thing they fucking catch behind you.
Seriously, I saw that fish from here take that.
That was awesome.
And that's a grayling for sure.
Looks like a nice one. Woo! That was awesome. Hell yeah. Nope, it's a grayling.
Holy shit, it's the biggest grayling I've ever seen caught.
Yeah. That thing slammed it. That was awesome, huh?
Look at this grayling drag rod, guys.
He just slammed the dry fly. Yeah.
Oh man, you got a 14. You have a measuring tape?
Yeah, I got my
Up a little bit.
sweet. Well, look at that fucking pretty colors. Jesus. Fly. Oh my god, look how big those fins are though on them.
Yes.
Beautiful. That was awesome. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I am jealous, man.
That was fucking sick.
Yeah, I watched that.
Pull that fly out. He got that shit right in the top of the mouth too.
I watched that whole exchange.
Beautiful. I thought you were had that one on.
Oh, dude, I almost cooked myself in the fucking mouth.
So this fish is 13.5 inches. Grayling released. Oh, fucking dope.
Swimming, or is it still kind of low?
Oh, it's swimming. Yeah, pretty constantly, every couple minutes. Nope, grayling. Another fucking nice grayling. He slammed it. I seen him come up. Just gotta keep casting. Absolutely.
That's a full male.
Yeah, look at the blue colors on his fucking fins. That is just gorgeous. He's just like net me.
That's smaller than your other.
That is fucking awesome. Thicker for sure. Yep. So, no. I turned off the camera because I just noticed I was fucking filming.
How ironic, huh?
That's funny, huh?
Now that is a full male. You see that
That was-
last one you caught did not have the full fins like that. Did it?
Transfer me. No, it did not have hardly. It looks the colors were like gray on the other one.
I didn't know what those dudes meant to me. They said, "Oh, these are nice." I thought they were all tiny, but they are not.
Theirs are nice.
So I don't want to even go to the other end because I have a feeling they ain't gonna catch shit over there either. I don't know, man. Are you like retrieving it back slowly?
Nope.
Huh.
Letting it float.
Just anywhere, right?
Yeah, I'm making sure to keep my fly line, you know.
But are you going out far or just decent?
That one was probably like 15 feet out.
How big is that one?
From the 5 to the 8, 13. Ow, ow, ow. Second 13-inch grayling. Look at the colors on those.
Clear. I got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like with mine and yours. Yeah, here, let's extend that fin. I really want to see that fin. But you're gonna hate it.
That one just absolutely crushed the dry fly.
Yeah, I know, man. I can't catch one.
One more pick real quick for me.
Sorry. Oh, look at the fin.
That's just dope.
I can't believe it. I really can't.
That is absolutely, look at that. That is crazy. I didn't think we'd be catching those today. Like this wind chop, just missed 2 more, hooked into 1, and then just had another strike. So I've missed probably about 8 or 10 strikes on the dry fly so far. And they just have really little mouths. They have a hard time getting it down. But, I mean, they ain't trying, that's for damn sure. Guys, doing the last minute here. Switched up to a parachute Adams. The other fly that I had was getting crushed so much that I ran out of them. So gonna be fishing for the next 2 minutes, and then we gotta head back to the car. Colorado fish are already headed back. Was a little dehydrated, so went to go get some water and some rest before we head out. Alright guys, fish for another minute, don't get anything. Until next time,